Now, sticking on the Elon topic just for about 5 more seconds, the big short investor Michael Burry, who seems to make headlines here and there, he was chatting around the GME moment, if you recall.
Yep.
And he had actually switched his position on GME, kind of predicting what was about to take place. He previously had a heavy short position on GME, which he exited because he felt that the bets against them were growing too vast. Mm-hmm. Anyway, he's been short Tesla stock for a long time, and he's now stating that Tesla stock could plunge 90% without a major fallout, financial crisis type situation to the whole market. He believes, obviously, that the stock is overvalued. Tesla below here, I think this was on Twitter as well that he stated this. Tesla below $100 a share by later this year will not crash the system. There is no reflexivity in such a fall, but it would trigger the end of an era for a certain type of investing. He has been very speculative, or he has criticized speculative betting on Tesla, Bitcoin, and GameStop. And he's best known for the housing bubble, which he accurately predicted, billion-dollar bet against the U.S. housing market. He has been skeptical of Tesla since last fall. He began tweeting about the automaker's limited profitability and their reliance on sales of regulatory credits.
Oh, right.
Which we talked about in a recent episode as being one of their core business attributes, that they have been selling to traditional automakers these credits for actually a tremendous amount of money.
Billions?
Billions. However, now that the other automakers are moving so rapidly towards their own electric vehicles and presumably their very own regulatory credits, in which case they will no longer be buyers of regulatory credits, then you start to wonder, oh, damn, what is the risk to profitability if the market for those credits diminishes at this rapid pace that it appears the auto sector as a whole is moving towards acquiring their own regulatory credits. Anyway, that's what he points out. He calls the current stock price ridiculous, and thinks they're going to have difficulty with profitability going forward. Look, I don't know. I think Elon even famously came out himself and said the stock price was overvalued. It didn't seem to matter.
Right.
People want to be associated with the brand. People want to be associated with the company. And as we've learned, I presume when he's saying this type of investing, he's including the Doge and the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. GameStop and the Robinhood type thing. He is
like rocket fuel.
Whatever. The rocket emoji.
Yeah.
That's what he's shorting. He's shorting the rocket emoji, saying you're all nuts. The question of whether or not everyone is nuts or not is really a question of time. Can it be sustained? And for how long? And what do his bets actually look like? But how long can he hold on to those positions? Can Tesla continue to run on rocket fuel? Literally and figuratively.
Yeah.
At least with
right?
SpaceX. Yeah.